Hello YouTube. Welcome to the 7th tutorial on C programming. This is TechMiner here. In this tutorial, we will be talking about loop statements, while loops and do while loops. First, we will discuss on while loops. While loops execute block of codes only when a given condition is true. The condition is written inside small braces, and block of codes inside the curly braces of while statement. It is one of the powerful statements in C. We can run certain block of codes again and again. It will stop only when the condition of while statement is false. Let's take an example here. We declare cap as a variable and assign value 1 to the variable cap. If we look at the syntax closely, we write while, followed by condition inside small braces and inside curly braces of while statement, we write block of codes. Let's put the condition cap is less than 5. Inside the curly braces, we print the value of cap. So printf, cap equals to %d and variable cap. If we run this program, we see the program always runs. This is because the condition of while statement is always true. The loop keeps running forever. Now if we add cap equals to cap plus 1, the value of cap is increased by 1 in each loop, and when its value reaches 5, the loop stops. Thus it prints the value from 1 to 4. Now we enter do while loop. I am gonna show you syntax of both the loops simultaneously. We can see that in while loop, we use while statement first, then write condition inside small braces, and in curly braces, we write block of statements. Whereas in do while, we write do, then start curly braces. Inside curly braces, we write block of statements. After that we write while and provide condition inside small braces. The main difference between while and do while loop is, while loop runs only if the condition is true, but do while executes block of codes inside curly braces and then checks for condition. This means that do while loop runs at least once even if the condition is not satisfied. In this example, we can see the equivalent coding of previous example. This provides the same output. And remember one thing, if you want your loop to run infinite times, you can write while and 1 inside small braces. 1 denotes true. This implies, the condition is always true. And thus the loop runs forever. That's all for today. If you have any queries or confusion, you can comment below. Do like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.